The Bolus Wizard feature can calculate the estimated bolus amount for a correction bolus and a food bolus separately, or it can calculate for both at the same time. You can access and use the Bolus Wizard feature either by pressing the Express Bolus button on your pump or by going to the Bolus menu and selecting Use Bolus Wizard. When you press Act, the Enter BG screen will appear. If you are not using a linked meter, use the up and down arrows to enter a blood glucose value manually and press Act. If you have your meter linked with your pump, your BG reading will automatically transmit and the BG value will flash on the pump screen. Press Act to accept this glucose reading. Next, you will see the Enter Food screen. If this is a food bolus, enter the food value you will eat and press Act. Estimate details will appear. Check to make sure the amount you entered is correct and press Act. You will now see the Set Bolus screen with the estimated bolus amount flashing. If you think you need to increase or decrease the suggested amount, the amount can be changed as long as it is still flashing on the screen. You can use the up and down arrows to adjust the bolus amount and then press Act. If you agree with the suggested bolus amount, press Act and the bolus will begin to deliver. The pump beeps or vibrates at the beginning and end of each bolus delivery. While the bolus is being delivered, the screen will show the type of bolus that is being delivered, and the amount being delivered will count up on the screen until the total bolus amount is delivered. After the bolus has completed, the pump returns to the home screen. Keep in mind that there will be times when you will need to give a bolus for food, and it may not be necessary to enter a current glucose reading. An example of this might be if you have an extra helping of food, or decide to eat a dessert at the end of a meal. Giving a food bolus without a glucose reading is easy to do. Simply press Act when the pump asks you for your glucose value, and the pump will go directly to the Enter Food screen for you to enter the amount of carbohydrate or exchanges. You can practice using the Bolus Wizard feature now if you like. Please ensure that you are not connected to your pump while you practice.